The chairman of the Lakapi Samoa Union, Tuilaepa has stepped down, and stepping in as the interim chairman is Namulau Ulu Samiliota, who is Lakapi Samoa Union current president. Tuilaepa's resignation from the chairman position came after Prime Minister La'aulile Tuole Watepula Ta'iwao Schmidt said if Lakapi Samoa did not resolve their issue, a new Lakapi Samoa Union would be formalized. Last week, La'auli met with representatives from Australian Rugby Union and later with representatives of the International Rugby Board members. According to La'auli, the representatives wanted to find out for themselves why the delay in Samoa signing the Australian Development Waimona Program fund of $150 million allocated for the development of rugby in Tonga, Fiji and Samoa. According to the Australian rugby representatives, they are looking at formalising a new competition at the end of the year at the Super Rugby Australia, and they hope to give Samoa, Tonga and Fiji a chance to play against the Australian Super Rugby teams. While Tonga and Fiji have already signed on, Samoa is yet to sign until the government is clear that they have a say in the disbursement of the fund, especially when they have to report back to Australia on how the funds have been utilised. The Waimona program or partnership requires the involvement of the government of all countries involved, and this is evident by channeling the fund directly to the government. La'auli said unless politics is removed from Lakapi Samoa, the government will not sign. In response, Tuilaepa said La'auli had politicised rugby. However, there has been a public outcry for players and various rugby unions in Samoa against Lakapi Samoa management, especially with the terrible performance of Manu Samoa, which narrowly qualified for the 2027 World Rugby Cup. This led to La'auli announcing the establishment of another rugby union if Tuilaepa and management did not resolve the issue at hand. Last Friday, Tuilaepa finally stepped down as chairman. For more details on this and others of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Jeannie Binahuru of Talamore Media.
Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature.
Unwind your busy day with a cup of royalty. Royalty, complete satisfaction with every sip.